So hello friends, that's another video on the visualization in 3D now with our new body scan module, and I just want to show you a few more additions. So I'm logged in, so it selects of course male body and we'll do an evaluation here. So you select once the gender and then it's always selecting male or female. And okay, so that's interesting. You can select several ones, as many as you want, and you can of course also select the second instead of the first, for example. But let's now do the first one here. This sounds interesting, but I want to show you something first. You can, right at this point, you can do a treatment and of this organ, right, bulbo-urethral gland, of course you know what this is. And here I can set the time, let's do 1 minute, and I can of course turn on the energy carrier. That means if you have a Health Integrator or Health Navigator connected, you can at the same time run the frequency, means the energetic component. But if you don't do this, I don't want to interrupt here my talk with the sound of frequencies. You can just start this, and then it opens Cyber Anatomy exactly with this first right bulbo-urethral gland. And if you want to see this, you click just here below on the Cyber Anatomy indicator, and now you see what's actually happening behind. And you see here that while the treatment runs, energetically you have the informational visualization, and this way it is much more effective, because informational medicine, radionics, is based on how definite you are with your vision, with your aim, with your plan. It's very simple. And so if you know exactly what you're doing, and then it will be more effective. So I can go back here to the this side. So 1 minute is over, improvement level 12. And again, this is only a approximation. Don't try, as some people who want to be perfectionist, run it so long until you get 100%. It just gives you an idea, but now we didn't really exactly see where was the issue, and maybe some of you don't know where the right bulbo-urethral gland is, a very important gland for men. So we can go there to show organ in Cyber Anatomy, and then it's opened in now. And it finds all the key shots where we have exactly the object or the objects that you selected for visualization. And you see here we have this part, and it actually rotates if there's a complex organ compound to be displayed, so you can see it from different angles, and also it changes from opaque to transparent, for the reason that sometimes a organ is behind some other organs, and it's not so easy to of course see if there's an opaque. And here you can see, here down here is something blinking. You see it now down here. Something that's a very tiny gland, that's the right bulbo-urethral gland. Again, here we have it here. Now it's showing us this from another perspective, and again we have only a certain number of course views of every part, but we make sure that it's possible for you to easily, here you can see again the gland, here it's easier to see it. And then once it has gone through all the animations, you can even take a closer look, and you can see now it's will stop in a moment, and then you have a possibility to actually look with the client in detail. And for this you have to choose one which is an opaque view, like this one, and then I can go here, rotate, for example, rotate the issue part in point of view. I can pan it up and down, or right and left. Let's put it in the middle, and then we can zoom in. You see? Again, I have to pan it up a little bit. So you can look at all this in very much detail. I'll show you here this even closer. Imagine this is the right vulvar renal gland, and now you can go one step further, and it's just amazing. You will understand anatomy like nobody else, probably, after doing this sometime. You can go to the peel mode, and then you can take any part that you want to dissect. You take this out, for example, and then you see what's behind here. Yes, or you take this out and you see what is behind. Yes, imagine this is a unique situation, and never happened before that we have so much possibilities to visualize this, and this will make you understand what are the connections of the body, and then we have the spiritual, the emotional part. So you will get an understanding of the body and health that is very, very helpful. So we have this. It took a little longer. We had a lot of delays, but now we'll have it ready for download. And then there will be also another part added in the communication screen. We have the right bottom part. It's a new section of intention. Intention that you can also have and download also for free. Next time I make a demo especially about this part. And so much for now. So this weekend I have a time with John of God here in the south of Brazil, 15,000 people waiting for him. And next weekend there's the seminar in Gramado, about 2,000 participants also in the south. So talk to you soon, and stay posted for all the editions that are coming up.